Oh, coming at you today with an update on that Armory. It's going along great, folks. As you probably saw in my previous video, I did a review on the table saw from DeWalt, and I needed it to finish this room. Doing 90-degree cuts is easy, but when you're doing corner cuts and finish cuts, it's just not as easy. And I'm putting pine around these windows, and that's not that difficult to do. That's just squaring 90 cut edges. But when you start doing the facial trim where you got to cut and rip, it's just really hard without the table saw. So I invested in a DeWalt table saw that really is quite small and quite maneuverable, and I think that worked out great. The Armory is almost done, folks. This is about as far as I'm probably going to take it on the finish work because it's meant to be more of a rustic room. But I got some pine and I'm cutting it down to the right size here. And then once I get it cut down to the right size, then I'm turning right around and taking it and nailing it up on the wall and making it look just kind of square and big and bulky and just matching with that kind of, you know, OSB type look that I have to the room, which is really a wood grain type look. I'm really pleased with how things are going here. It's been a nice summer day. The wind is blowing by here in the shop and in the barn area I'm cutting. Like I said, the DeWalt table saw is working great. The air nailer is working excellent, and you know, we're getting things up. I love it. We're finishing it out. My next video is going to be probably on the practicality of the room and how it's working and how it's functioning and how people are shooting out of it. But as you can see here, I'm putting in the pieces. I'm getting them, you know, air nailed in, kind of lined up and stuff, and we're just leaving it this kind of rustic way, just to kind of age in and be what it is. I'm really pleased with how this room has come together. You know, I'm going to have my, you know, muzzle loading stuff in here. I'm going to have my shell reloaders in here for the rifles. I'm going to have all the archery components in here, and I'm going to have storage for the cases and plenty of bow hangers. I'm going to have the ability with the bow press in here and some of the fletching tools to handle everything for the archery needs that we need to. And then yet I'm also going to have some of the sight work ability for the scopes to come in here and be worked on, and I think that's going to make it really nice. So, you know, in a nutshell, I'm spending 3-4 minutes here putting out kind of a video of the last of the construction. It's finally done, which is excellent. Now we're going to move all the stuff into the room. We're going to, you know, move benches and chairs and stuff in. I've got the workbench in, as you know already. It's just a matter of bringing everything else in and kind of getting it organized. You know, even simple things like, you know, a clock and a calendar and, you know, a radio and stuff like that, the MP3 player, all that kind of stuff's got to come in, and it's just going to be a really nice shop. It's taken from the regular shop, all that stuff that was in there, and moved it over, and it's really made my workspace for working on wood and stuff so much better, which is fantastic. As you can see above my head, I've got the carpet in on the ceiling. I've kept, remember, the ceiling low in here to stop the sky busters. They're going to bump that ceiling, but again, I've got carpet tiles up there so it won't hurt anything. I've already started hanging some bows. I've got the workbench in place. We've got shelving in place. Folks, this is what I wanted. From the outside, it looks kind of different because I'm sure a bank of windows inside a, you know, 100-some foot barn looks a little weird, but it looks gorgeous to me, folks. The Armory is finally done. It's time to move in. I think it's going to be a real pleasure to work and shoot and teach out of this, so I'm really looking forward to it. I hope you've enjoyed the progress. Like I said, there'll be kind of a final update video coming out when we're really using this in the next few weeks. Please like, subscribe, and follow along. We'll keep putting out great videos like this.